competitive.
To the end. Come on, guys. Don't be lazy. Most people are lazy. Most people are unsuccessful because you're doing whatever you're doing for the people. Most people actually know how to trade, but you won't see them. Okay, you won't see them succeed. You know why? Because somebody wants to force themselves to now pack trades. You are packing trades because you saw a mentor pack trades. Now you're packing those trades now. Dog, it's fine. Why don't you just open a 0.5 or 0.2 lot size, one position, make your 500 rand, relax, wait for your next entry. Make your 500 rand, you made 1,000 in a day, switch off your laptop, walk away. You know what I mean, guys? Don't get scammed because somebody's on TikTok and they talking Forex, guys. This shit that we talking is YouTube stuff. We found this shit for free on the internet. So it's a marketing strategy to go live and speak Forex, knowing that there's people within the crowd that are gonna be like, yo, this guy sounds like he knows what he's doing. You DM him, he's gonna charge you 850 rand. And some of them, they'll charge you like 300 rand for signals. Guys, bro, people are smart. Somebody can go buy signals from someone, charge you 300 rand for those signals. Guys, 300 rand times 300 rand, that's almost 200K. If he has 300 people buying signals, it's a 300 rand from him. Do you get what I'm saying? He puts his money into a Forex account. Now he has 50,000 rand in his Forex account. Now from one trade, he's no longer making 100 rand. From one trade, he's making 10,000 rand because now his lot size is bigger. First, be smart. Learn to be dependent on yourself. Don't just get fooled by people who sound like they're talking Forex. People that be like, I have a strategy. No, you don't have a strategy, nigga. You went on the internet, found strategies, figured out how to enter the market, and now you're selling it to people, and it's perfectly fine. It's a service that you're providing, as long as you're not scamming people. It's fine, dog. Me also, I'm not gonna play with you. I'm not gonna play with you. I'm not gonna play with you. You come to me, you're like, Tawang. You come, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, right? You come to me, you're like, Tawang, teach me how to trade. I wouldn't mind. And I would charge you, right? But I don't need to charge you because you can just come on my live streams, watch me trade, and you will learn. Because I literally trade, like, the way I trade on TikTok is the way that I trade every day. You don't need to pay nobody, guys. You literally don't need to pay nobody to trade. You don't need to do that. You can just learn by yourself. And then, like I said, find a mentor once you are struggling with certain things, man. You know? Like, literally with me, if you actually listen every day I trade here, if you listen every day when I trade here, you will learn. You will learn. Just buy yourself the earphone, the telekara phone, and listen when I'm talking. You're gonna learn how to trade. Trust me, because I don't hide anything. I don't hide anything. You know, we don't have a signals group. We don't need nobody's money. We are literally here to just grow. We are growing a little Tawang Mopanga community. Yamahala. We teach each other how to trade, guys. We teach each other how to trade. That's how it is here. It costs you a lot of money, but at the end you will succeed. Yeah, true. Yeah, true. All I'm saying is, I know you guys are now watching you guys are now watching what? You're watching my what? You're now watching my live, right? I'm trading. Example, yesterday I took out a signal, NAS. Guys, that was a simple signal. So many people ran into my DMs trying to talk Forex, trying to pay me money. I'm still going to respond to you guys and scam you, but what I'm saying is that it's not scamming, but like, what I'm saying is this. Yeah, you can request, it's not a problem. What I'm saying is this, now you guys are watching my live. After my live, you guys are going to want to join my live. That maybe today I spoke some sense to some of you guys and you understand what it is that I was saying to you guys. Just because somebody sounds intelligent doesn't mean that now you need to run to them. At the end of the day, Forex is a business. Forex is a business, right? And whoever has a Forex business, shout out to them, right? Them coming here and marketing themselves. I mean, I have a dropshipping company. Hell yeah! I'm on TikTok every day on my business account. And I'm doing what? I am live every day, that side. And I'm showing the products. That's me getting clients. Somebody going live on TikTok, sharing some knowledge with you, is a marketing strategy too. Right? It's a financial business. You know what I mean? It's the financial industry, guys. Same thing applies with banks. They do the same thing, man. They're also on TikTok showing you how safe they are. You know what I mean? Business is your business, but I will always advise that, yo, guys, gold is selling. Yo, congratulations to those that took sales. I'm clapping hands to you guys. Gold is selling, guys. It's selling crazy, dog. Gold is melting, guys. Yo, sorry for that. I'm like looking at my screen now. Let me try to flip. Yo, what an entry. The fuck? Someone says been selling since 3 o'clock. Damn. Did I kill CPI? Let me tell you what happened with my CPI, right? CPI, I had sell stops on NAS 100. I had sell stops on US 30. So my sell stop didn't trigger because the market first went up, then the market came down. So as soon as the market came down and contacted my sell stop, ne? That's when I exited with immediate effect because I knew it was going to form a doji, which it did form a doji. Guys, give me 2 seconds, ne? I'm about to enter a NAS trade, ne? Give me 2 seconds. I'm about to quickly sell NAS, ne? Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I want to quickly sell NAS, guys. Hey, loser, guys. I'd rather lose in front of you guys, most. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. Here we are not faking anything, guys. So just give me a second. So if it pauses, guys, just know that Tawang took a trade. I'm taking a trade. Give me a second, guys. I'm just entering a nice trade, ne? I came in and I saw that it was 1928, right? So I saw that this was basically closing below. So I knew that somehow it had to come and touch this resistance. So it touched this resistance. I'm outside of the trade now and it's heading wherever it's heading to. It's going wherever it's going, guys. So yeah, that was the quick scalp. Based on seeing that it closed below where I said buyers above, I knew that it had to touch this first. So yeah, man, that's what's up. That's what's up, man. Yeah, it was a quick trade. Remember, guys, when you're trading 1530, when you guys are trading 1530, don't hold. Don't even put a stop loss. As soon as your trade is in profits, exit. As soon as your trade is in profits, exit. Can I explain what the trade that I took now? It was literally a 2-second trade, ne? So the market, obviously, it broke out, then closed below. Like, if you understand SMC, right? Those that trade SMC, you would understand that what happened here. There was a break of structure, right? The market went up. Then the market closed below structure again. Hence, I sold quickly to this. This was the highs, right? Market broke the structure. Market came and closed below the structure. So I took this quick sell. I mean, this is simple Forex, guys. This is simple. It was like literally a 2-second trade. Again, these are the highs. Remember we said, okay, let me show you guys. This is your A, B, C leg closed below. I took a quick trade, ka 1530. It hit I just exited. There was no take profit, there was no stop loss. As soon as it hit here, I exited. So yeah. It was a quick sell, man. It was a quick sell, a quick one. So that week I took it. Does it make sense? Does this trade make sense to you? This is SMC, guys. A, B, C. Close below. Clip. Take your profit and you exit. It was quick. This was easy, guys. This was easy. This was an easy trade. This was an easy trade, guys. This trade was easy, guys. It's easy. And I'm just chilling here, just talking to you guys. So yeah, man. We just chilling and making money, man. This was a quick trade, man. Quick trade. Simple SMC. Break of structure. Clips. Quick. Because it's 1530, guys. I knew 1530 needed to collect some volume. Because like you need to look at it this way. This is in the middle of nowhere. So it had to quickly come and collect fuel so that it can continue pushing up. It collected the fuel. Now it can continue pushing up. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's what happened, guys. That's what happened. I want to show you guys the detail when you go to the smaller time frame. My trade will make even more sense. So on the smaller time frame, it still broke out, came back, retested. So this would have probably been my signal. As you can see, this, whatever you call it, it's a hammer. It's showing you that it has to sell. So that's why I took that quick sell to here. This already showing you that there's sell momentum coming in, especially before 1530. This shows you that there's sell momentum coming in. I took it and I exited. 1530, don't play with your money, guys. Like, listen, 1530, we don't play with our money. 1530, we don't play with our money, guys. 1530, don't play with your money. Don't play with your money. As soon as it's in profit, get out of there. Get the fuck out of there. You know what I mean? What's happening with gold? Gold, guys, gold is gonna kill you. Okay, guys, let's like up the stream, guys. Let's like up the stream. So that from tomorrow, at least, we can have more people that are pulling up to the streams and we can request and talk, you know? Because now...